And now he goes in the litter box completely. You're making me look bad, buddy. It's a lot of pee. Okay. I made him some ground beef. And he seems to like it. Good boy. Look at him go. Like I said, just need to eat it. I'm not worried about tomorrow, just today, right now. Good boy. And if anybody says they think it's gross while he's standing on it, can you imagine without the litter and it was just a puddle of pee? He was doing the same thing. So I think it's better with the dirty water. Good boy. That is the first time he solidly eats something in the last 6 days. See? Oh. Good boy. Need some water. Water. He's got a little stand for the water. I'll raise the water dish. Or he can balance. That means he's doing better. Good boy. Who's a good boy? Oh, I didn't put your thing back together because I was working on the litter box. Come here. Watch out. Watch out. And he goes off to his corner. That's the first time he's in his corner, I guess because I'm filming. Hi. Hi, look at you. He's camouflaged. Where'd he go? I can't see him. There's no fox there. I'm kidding. I love you, buddy. Yay, he peed. Sting back. Okay. I'm going to try to join the video so you see, I mean, not too much to explain. 3 litter boxes, gaffing tape, sticking them together. Because if not, he'll push them apart and then he'll pee in between them. I love you. I love him so much. And he ate some ground beef. That's the most he's eaten in 6 days. Love you.